Hi there, I'm Kellie Nightlinger. I'm a true wild woman. I've been an outdoor adventure guide for 5 years, and I've also owned an adventure-based youth camp for underprivileged children for 5 years, and I'm also a conservation officer for 12 years, and before that I was in law enforcement, traditional law enforcement. Today I'm going to start my first YouTube video. I'm a true wild woman, so this will be a series of wild woman videos. Don't mind me, I'm just swatting at mosquitoes here. Today I'm going to be taking a P229 Sig Sauer 40 caliber semi-automatic handgun. I'm going to be blindfolded, unloading it, unloading all the rounds in the magazine, taking the weapon apart, putting the weapon back together, reloading it, all while blindfolded. I beat to the tune of my own drum. I hope you enjoy the beat. So here I go. Bear with me here a minute. Get my bandana on securely, well over my eyes. Here's my P229. So I will begin. Drop the magazine first. First thing I'll do is I'll remove the 12 rounds in the magazine. There's one in the chamber. For 13, I'll lock the slide to the rear. Take the spring out. Take the barrel out. Put the barrel back in. Put the spring back in. If I can do it this way. Okay, that's back in. Line up the rails. So that's the tricky part, is just the first alignment. There we go. I think I got it on. Nope. There, that should be it, I think. Hard to tell where. Still not on right. There. Lock it back. Okay, now I'll reload the mag. Probably won't be able to see this too well, but you should be able to hear it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mosquitoes biting. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, load it in the mag, load the 13th one in, although I just bumped it, so I'm not sure where it went exactly. Okay, 13th one, load it up, P229. So, I hope you enjoyed this little short video. Stay tuned for a lot more wild adventures. Thank you. Also, I'm Kellie Nightlinger, Kellie, Nightlinger, just like linger in the night, NIGHTLINGER. Feel free to follow me on Facebook and look at all my crazy wild adventures.